Hi, it's Mr. Abear, and I want to talk to you about shifting parabolas. So we understand that a parabola has this sort of general form for its equation, and the A sort of tells you not only whether the parabola is upside down or right side up, but it also tells you how narrow or wide the parabola is. When you shift a parabola, you do the exact same thing that you do to shift the graph of any other equation. That is to say, you replace x with x minus h, and you replace y with y minus k. But there is one thing that we do slightly differently when we're dealing with parabolas, and that is that we take this k number and add it to both sides so that we only have y equals over here. And that looks like this. See how we've added k to this side? And there is no more negative k on that side because we've added k to both sides. It's the same equation, but it puts it in a neater package because now it says y equals something. But I wanted to point out, you are in fact doing the same exact thing with h and k as you are in the circle or the ellipse or the hyperbola. Let's take a look at what this looks like on the parabola visualizer. I have this formula now, and A still does the same thing. Makes the parabola narrower, or upside down, or wider. And H and K do just what you might think. They shift the position of the parabola on the graph. Increase H, you move the parabola to the right. Increase k, you move the parabola upward. Decrease h, you move the parabola to the left. Decrease k, you move the parabola downward. It's the same as it is for every equation. And that's really the big lesson that I need you to be taking away from this particular project. So, let's see. Anything else that I want to say about parabolas? I guess that might be it. Oh no, there is one more thing. Oh, I'm glad I kept thinking. So, you know how h and k are the coordinates of the center of a circle or of the center of an ellipse or a hyperbola? Well, here we don't call this the center. The coordinates 2, 5 are the coordinates of what we call the vertex of the parabola. And you can see the vertex is sort of that point that's in the middle of the two branches of it. That's the highest point if it's an upside down one, or the lowest point if it's a right side up one. That is called the vertex. Alright, now I'm done telling you what I want you to know about parabolas.